eating my hand. No, he's scratching the grass. Of course you are. You're stretching. Oh, yeah, something in your ear. Okay, first day I met him, terrified, wouldn't let me even touch him. His ear is like, now, Fidget, stop it. Now look, I can just like go over here and just like be like, well, if he wasn't biting me, I could show you, but he's like being a freaking jerk right now. Flippin' jerk, sorry. He's being mean. My little stray kitten. This is what I deal with every day. Because I choose to love him. I'm trying to lift your head up. Hey. Ow! Come here. No. Come on up, Fidget. Come on. Minus the claws, please. That'd be nice. Come on up, bitch. Is he okay? I don't understand him. He came to us before Christmas. Oh, Fidge, it's not gonna hurt you. It's just passing by. He's scared of a red soul that just drove by. I don't want to show it because I might get the license plate. There he is. And I don't want to get in trouble for that, and I don't know how to edit, so it's like, I don't know. Fidget, get out of the bush! Do you see this? Like, is he okay? Where'd he go? Can you see him? I don't know. Oh, there he is. He just ran out of the bush at me. Come here, Fidge. Fidget. You're deaf, kitten. You're deaf. You are a deaf. He just jumped at my phone. What are you doing, buddy? You gotta poop? You gotta use the body? That's what you have to do. Okay, I'll leave you alone. It's super hot. There's the sun over there. The big white ball right there, that's the sun.